Controlling media sessions in Control4 Smart Home OS 3. Let's tap the Control4 icon to open the app. From the room screen, we know that something is playing somewhere in the house because we see this media sessions icon in the top right corner, the little house with 3 lines in it. Let's tap on it. The sessions screen shows us that Pandora is now playing in the family room. Now let's tap the home button to go back to the room screen and swipe over to the master bedroom. I want to play Netflix, so let's tap watch and then Netflix. Okay, now let's go back to the room screen and select the media session icon again. Now we see both Pandora playing in the family room and Netflix is playing in the master bedroom. Want to play this Pandora station in the backyard? Just tap on its media sharing button and tap outdoor speakers, then done. Now we see there is a 2 in the media sharing house icon, and both family room and outdoor speakers are listed. In addition to seeing and sharing content, you can adjust volume for individual rooms, or the master volume for the session. You can mute individual rooms or sessions. You can also turn off individual rooms, sessions, or even all sessions at once. Now you know how sessions work in Control4 OS 3. Pretty cool, huh? Here, boy!